Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. It says if Z1, Z2 are complex numbers such that real part of Z1 equal to mod of Z1 minus 1, real part of Z2 equal to mod of Z2 minus 1 and argument of Z1 minus Z2 equal to pi by 6, then imaginary part of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to. Now students, whenever you come across such kind of questions, then always write the given complex numbers in standard form. So here we let Z1 equal to x1 plus iota y1 and Z2 equal to x2 plus iota y2, where x1 and x2 are the real parts of Z1 and Z2 respectively, and y1 and y2 are the imaginary parts of Z1 and Z2 respectively. Now, since we have real part of Z1 equal to mod of Z1 minus 1, so this means x1 is equal to square root of x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 square. Upon squaring both sides, we get x1 square equal to x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 square. This means x1 square equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 square. So from here we get y1 square equal to 2x1 minus 1, right? Now similarly, when we use the second equation, we get x2 square equal to x2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 square. Upon simplification, we get y2 square equal to 2x2 minus 1. I am calling this equation as equation number 1 and this equation as equation number 2. Now students, we move further. Now students, we have been given a third equation in the question, and that is argument of Z1 minus Z2 equal to pi by 6. So this means argument of x1 minus x2 plus iota times y1 minus y2 is equal to pi by 6. And argument of x plus iota y is tan inverse y by x. So clearly I can write tan inverse of y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 equal to pi by 6. So this means y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 equal to tan of pi by 6. And this is equal to 1 upon root 3. So from here, we have got the value of y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. And this is 1 upon root 3. Now this is equation number 3. Now students, we move further. Now students, we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we get y2 square minus y1 square equal to 2 times inside the bracket x2 minus x1. Now since from equation 3 we have y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 equal to 1 upon root 3. So this clearly implies that x1 minus x2 cannot be equal to 0. So I can easily divide both sides of this equation by x2 minus x1. Now students, since x1 is not equal to x2, so from this equation I can say that y2 square minus y1 square is not equal to 0. This implies neither y1 plus y2 is equal to 0 nor y1 minus y2 equal to 0. So hence I can divide this particular equation by y1 plus y2 on both sides. That means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 becomes equal to 2 upon y1 plus y2. Right? Now from equation 3, the value of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 comes as 1 upon root 3. So this clearly implies that y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 root 3. That means option D is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.